Okay, this is the video solution of question number 3 of Div 2 NASA from CodeChef Starters 93. The problem statement is that we have to find the total number of, we have given a size array A of size n, and we have to find the total number of pairs in the array I comma j such that AI or AJ is a palindrome in decimal representation. Point to be noted. Okay, where ZOR denotes the bitwise OR operator. So we have to find the number of pairs present in our array such that the AI's or AJ is a palindrome. Okay, so I hope you have get the question, what the question says. So how to solve this question? For this question, you have to figure out the constraint. By seeing the constraint, you can see that the the con- the n lies between 1 to 10 raised to the power 5. This means that you can't run a loop of big of n squared loop, means two loops you can't run because it would give you TLE. You can't check every pair that AI's or AJ is palindrome or not. Then that solution will be big of n squared log n, but it won't work. So what you have to do, so you can do that, you can find all the palindromic numbers which lies between 0 to 2 to the power 15, which is around 1000 or 2000 2 raised to the power 15, and you will get 477 or 473 numbers of palindromic numbers in this range. Okay, so what you have to do, let's come to the whiteboard. So we know that AI is in the range of 2 raised 2 raised to the power 15, below 2 raised to the power 15. So what you can do, take you can make a map or another map in which you can store the palindromic numbers which lies between in 2 raised to the power 15, 0 to 10 raised to the power 15. And one property of XOR, you can, if you don't know, I am telling you, like if a number is A XOR B, if C is equals to A XOR B, then A XOR B XOR A is equal to B. Okay. So what I am saying, what is the use of this property? So what you can do, that you have first you have taken all the palindromic numbers which lies between 0 to 2 raised to the power 15. Then you iterate over array A, and for every I element, like this element, you will iterate to this palindromic numbers which is stored in my pal map. Okay, and check that A of I, means for every I element I will check, and AI XOR pal of j is present in my previous shift or not. For checking previous, we will make another map which store the frequency of the previous element. Okay, what I am saying, like, let's see the code, then you will understand very easily. It is very simple problem, but you have to figure out by this constraint only. So what I have done, I have taken integer n input, and then this is my vector of int a, in which I will store my array. This is my unordered map of m and pal. Okay, so what I've done, I have taken input of my array, and this x will be 2 raised to the power 15 minus 1. This is the range of my element of array. Then I have run a loop of x, and in this, if the I is palindrome, then I have increased the frequency. This is my function to check whether it is palindrome or not. Okay, then what I have done, I have iterated over every element AI, and increasing the frequency by 1, and checking in my pal map that this number, that this is my palindromic number z, and this xr is z or x. Okay, so x is my current element. If this number xr means this zor element is present in my map, then I will increment it I will add it to my answer. Okay, and this will be run for every element, and finally my answer is there. You can try run this code, you will get very easily. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can comment in my comment section, and I will definitely reply. Thank you so much.